If you try to power off your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, but you don't remember the password, and it looks like this, then in that case, in order to solve this issue, first we need to prepare the USB cable, and we will need to connect our phone to a computer. It has to be actually a computer. It probably cannot be a charger or power adapter. So once we connect, what we're gonna do is we're gonna perform a force restart. So we have to press and hold the power button and volume down button until the screen turns off. But once the screen turns off, you want to switch to power button and volume up, and you need to keep holding these two buttons together. And then once you see the Samsung logo, you just want to hold the volume up button only. So let's start. In the meantime, I'm gonna also keep tapping on the screen so that I know when it turns off. So I'm gonna press and hold volume down and power button. I don't think I actually have to keep tapping. Now let's switch to power button, volume up. And now just volume up. There we go. By doing so, we will go to the Android recovery mode. And over here, we navigate by using volume buttons. So use volume up or down in order to choose a different option. And you want to find power off, which should be at the bottom. Before we choose this option, we need to unplug the USB cable and then confirm by pressing the power button, like this. And this is how we can turn off our device. And if you turn it back on the next time, there is a chance that you will be back into the recovery mode. And if that happens, you just have to find the reboot system now option and press the power button. So just confirm it. Yeah, so you will go back to the recovery mode. So just press reboot system now and your device will restart and go back into the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.